Okay, welcome to making an indoor fireplace usable. Anyway, this is our center pipe that we're putting in to feed the fresh air into the fireplace. We installed it from underneath because it's a real confined space, and we'll show you that as soon as we're done. But we made it a little big, and we have to adjust it a little bit because it's got to get turned a little bit. We're off slightly. So we have to make sure it sticks up about 1.5 inches above surface so if the ashes don't fall down the hole. So, and it's up a little higher than we normally, what we need. It's up 3 inches and we're supposed to be about 1.5 inches, so we got to cut off about 1.5 inches. So we have to take it all apart and cut it and fix that. But in the process, we have to adjust it first so we can make sure it's going to sit right. Okay, turn it off. So we put it on hold or whatever.
Okay.
So we can go downstairs.
Sounds good.
This sucks.